if you're new here, this is what we do. This video is our most recent property purchase. So basically, you're gonna be vlogging the whole experience and showing you our mistakes, our successes, and just what we do. This is real world situation. We came here to do about 3-4 hours of work, and then we ended up leaving after 1.5. Doing wallpaper is a joke. This is the first week of this renovation, and we're not doing it as effectively as we could because we're just being too lazy about finishing the upstairs, and we're all coming downstairs trying to do the easier jobs first. You should kind of finish off upstairs what you're doing, bring all those tools downstairs and work, but we didn't do it in this case. I'm gonna start by taking all these things off the walls. Yeah, then you're gonna come and take off the main part of the wallpaper. Yeah? Do you understand what I'm saying?
But why are you saying that?
So you know what, forget it. I think we should go downstairs. I'm gonna start downstairs. Seems easier. Should we start with this room then? It looks great on camera, but it's just nice white wallpaper.
Wallpaper strip, the wallpaper tool.
I don't even know what my sister's asking for there. If you're doing wallpaper, numbers help. So the amount of people that you have doing the wallpaper really makes it a lot less tedious. The only thing I would say, by using family and friends, they can not do the job completely the way you want it. Some things you might have to go over again yourself. No one can be bothered to do the landing. Not today. So sometimes you're supposed to do it in a certain order, but you won't because you can't be bothered, or you don't have enough time to complete that area. So we're doing downstairs now. Liz, I'm gonna take the fire thing out, yeah?
Yeah.
Whoa. That's nice. Look, take that out. No damage.
That's really good.
Bonus. And an air vent and everything. Oh my days, it was just sitting here, look. In this circumstance, I gained a lot of time because this only taken 1 minute to remove from the wall, and I got a lot more time to do other tasks. I'm not sure if you know what these are, but that is a silverfish, and they can manifest. Is that what it means?
Manifest?
And they can multiply quite easily. You only get them in damp and dusty areas. That was easy. That's pretty heavy, man. So as you can see, my dad's wetting the walls with warm water. This part of the wall is all just paint. It makes it so much easier, and all that area down there as well is actually paint, which is great. I don't want to do a full rewire, but I did want to change some sockets and whatnot. Okay, here's a good tip. I'm looking at the consumer unit, and I'm basically taking a video for the electricians. The video basically shows them what sockets I want moved, how the wiring is kind of set out on the wall. Is it in trunking for, or is it embedded in the wall? Are the sockets all old? Do they all need to be changed? How many face plates? What type of face plates? Is it double socket, single switched? Those type of things. It makes it a lot more easier rather than having them to come over to check exactly what they need and what they don't need. I'll just show you quickly in the video. So there's one socket here in the entrance hallway that I want to change into, well, I want to push it into the wall and get the wire chased into the wall. Then in the front room, there's a socket down there, but we're going to be removing this wall. So I want to get that socket on that side of the wall. And then this switch, which is where the wall is now, that's for the front room light. Once the wall was removed, I wanted to move it to... Imagine your property with its new layout. For example, this light switch I just spoke about now, that will have to be relocated inside that new room. And then moving on to the back reception room, which is like basically a kitchen. There's a switch for the kitchen, that's that one here. If you don't think about these things before, they really can waste weeks sometimes, because you got to wait for that electrician to come back and then change that location of that light switch or whatever. Then you've just wasted so much time, and you're getting charged extra as well. I'm not going to go socket by socket, but I think you get the idea. Just go through every room, change that faceplate, twin socket somewhere in here, push that one into the wall, change the faceplate, that one 450 high up there. I'm just going to change this front socket for one of the new ones that I bought. I'm not sure why I'm changing the front socket when we're so early in the works, but the main thing I think I wanted to see is just how they look, really. But yeah, if you want to watch it, see how I rewire a socket, I guess it could be useful to you. That's the earth, alive, and the neutral. We pop the live. Let's tighten them all up. Let's get it on now. If you use a drill straight away, then it might damage the threads. So once you know it's going to go smoothly, go slowly. There, and just do it on a light setting so you don't want it to snap the faceplate. How are you guys getting on?
Yeah.
Good, Dad. Good. Working hard in the renovation, and you realise you have wallpaper on your feet, and then you go shopping. My dad Didn't realise that he had wallpaper stuck on his feet. Where's the water?
Well, I told Dad to bring bucket.
I think she meant to say, I told Dad to bring the bucket. Okay, one important thing, if you're getting loads of family and friends to help you, you might want to be doing nothing yourself. That's not to be lazy, it's literally because you have to kind of manage what they're doing, because if they're doing things in that time and they're doing it wrong, it's going to be like a snowball effect. So if one thing's going wrong and you're kind of making up for it by doing it yourself, someone else might be doing the same thing that that person was. Basically, project managing would be a good idea if you're the person who knows what's going where and what kind of sequence the work is going to get done in.
Dad gets very protective of his tools.
In your room, we have so many of those extension leads. You put them together, and then we substitute them.
Oh my god.
You on camera, Dad?
Like screwdriver or something. The red one, right?
Oh yeah, that red one, yeah, I remember him. I hope there's no hole in my pants because I'm recording from behind.
No, just like wedgie.
2 layers. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that felt good. Sorry. When you get a big piece of wallpaper to come off like this, it is really satisfying. I'm sure it's satisfying to watch as well. John, if you're watching this video, I need some more scrapers for the wallpaper. Thanks. Go on, love. Oh. Oh, that is nice. Wait, hold on, mate. There you go. See how these guys are going. Where's the other one gone? Ah, stop running away. You just make my camera go crazy. Yeah, these are actually really good tools. They're really sharp, so be careful you don't cut yourself with it. But they're great for getting under little bits of wallpaper, creating a lip. Then you can then just pull that wallpaper all off in one go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned because we've got loads of videos coming out that show you the structural changes, and see you in the next video.